Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back. Happy Halloween, guys. I know I'm a little bit early, but hey, happy Halloween. So let's just dive on into this set. So previously, I was wearing these blue nails, and I love them. Like, this shade of blue on my skin tone is just, oh, it's just everything. So I really love it. But it's October, so I have to do a Halloween set. Then I have to take this off. Like, I think I'm going to do these nails, take them off probably like tomorrow. Then I have to do a breast cancer awareness set because duh, right? Then I have to also do a birthday set because duh, it's October. So October, we're full of like everything. So today I'm going to do a quick Halloween type theme on my left hand, and then I'll probably take it off right away. So here we go. I'm testing out the colors. I definitely want to use black, obviously. So I have my black, but then I'm also trying to find purples that will match with it, because when I think of like a Halloween type design, I'm thinking black, I'm thinking orange, I'm thinking purple, I'm thinking colors like that. Like even like a really, really dark green will be pretty. But today I want to do various shades of purple. I got to throw in some glitter and black. So I tested a few of my acrylics and I found out the colors that I want to use. So yay, thumbs up there. Then I also have my clear acrylic that I sell on my website. Check out my website if you guys are looking for some clear acrylic. What else can I tell you guys about? So the primer that I'm using is also from my website. The lamp that I'm using, you can find this lamp on Amazon, and I will leave a link in my Amazon storefront. Just go to the section that says UV LED lamps, and if you like this lamp, you could purchase it there. What else? What else am I missing, guys? I think that's pretty much it. So now for the base coat. You guys know when I do acrylic nails, I base my nails with gel polish. And I always use the gel bottle ink because I really, really love their base coat. But it's very expensive, and I have been talking to you guys about finding a nice dupe. And remember when I did my base coat comparison video? I went back and watched it the other day because I'm running low on the gel bottle ink. So I was like, what else can I use when I run out? I went back and watched the video, and Sparkle & Co. from that video was really, really good. So I was like, yes, Sparkle & Co. is very affordable. It was very good in that video, and I do have a coupon code. So if you guys like the base coat method before your acrylic, or you're just looking for a really good base coat, try Sparkle & Co. Link will be in the description box, and yes, my code will be in the description box as well. So after I applied the base coat, I popped it in the oven. I baked it for a full 60 seconds. It will have a sticky inhibition layer. You don't want to wipe that off. Leave the sticky inhibition layer on and apply your acrylic right on top. So I'm just applying a very thin layer of that clear acrylic, and I'm just patting it into place. Did I talk about my brush? I don't think I talked about my brush. I talked about everything else. Okay, so the brush is from Model Ones, and I do have a coupon code, so link and all that will be in the description box. But I've been testing it out for you guys because you guys have so many questions about this brush. Like, I don't know why. Maybe because it's really, really pretty. I do see why. It's very pretty. It has the glitter sparkles inside, and you guys want something that's really pretty, but you also want it to work. So it does make sense that I get a lot of questions about this brush. So far, it's been good. I haven't had any problems with it. I've soaked it in acetone twice. So whenever I soak my brushes in acetone, I soak them for 10 minutes, and then I take them out. I check the bristles, comb out any remaining acrylic if there's any left in there, and then I soak it in monomer for 10 minutes, okay? So I've done that twice with this brush, and each time it just looks, you know, the same. Like there's nothing that happened. The bristles didn't fray. I didn't have any shedding or anything like that. So far, the brush is working well for me. I like it. If you guys have any other comments about it, let me know. But I will continue to use it, and if my opinions change, I'll let you guys know. So that's that on the brush. Oh, I am using a dog pee or potty pad. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning of the video, but you guys know that Diana is here staying with me for a while in Florida. What's up, Diana? Hey girl, hey. So anyway, between she and I, we have like 5,648 doggy potty pads. So we have to use them. We have to use them. It's like I had a big stack and then she came with a big stack. So yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. And I'm not even counting the dog potty pads that belong to Kilo. I am strictly counting the ones that belong to our nail room. It's so many. So yeah, I'm back to using the dog PP pads or potty pads as my table protector and paper towel. So it's a 2-in-1 if you guys are looking for something like that. Any brand will work. You could get them on Amazon or even the dollar store. All right, so back to these nails, you guys. I have no idea what I want to do. I just know the colors that I like, okay? So my idea is to have a Gothic type look. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so not a Gothic person, so I can promise you this set will not be on my hand for a long time. It just won't. It just doesn't fit my personality. So I don't think I'll keep them on long, but for the sake of the video and for the sake of the season, if you will, I just wanted to do something festive. So here we go. So it's going to be a little bit Gothic and maybe a little bit Halloween-y, but not too demon-y, because that's kind of scary. You guys, I'm not easily scared, but some things like ghosts and demons and spirits, yo, yeah, I'm a punk when it comes to that kind of stuff. So if you came to look for like a really gory Halloween nail art, this is not it. I am not the girl for you. We're gonna just take it nice and easy today. A little bit Gothic, a little bit witchy. You know, I could get with a little witchy type nail. That's it. That's it. So I'm applying the purple. Let me tell you guys, this purple from Not Polished is so pigmented. So I'm trying to just do a very, very little bit at a time, especially since I'm not going to keep these nails on for a long time. I don't want to go in with really thick layers of acrylic. I don't want to be wasteful. So I'm applying very small beads and just patting it into place and brushing it over the nail. And of course, since I put that glitter on the pinky nail, I had to use it again, you guys. I just had to use it again. So I'm using it as a little ombre, if you will, trying to make like a glitter ombre. And it's so pretty. Like that glitter to me is like almost perfect for the season because it's purple and it's black. Like it's like a purple and black. I don't know. I can't describe it. It's a little purple. It's a little black. It even have like a little tint of blue in it. It's kind of weird, but it's perfect for the look that I'm going for today. So I'm brushing it down so it feathers over the purple, and it's going to give me a cute little purple ombre. 3 nails down. And remember, you guys, you thought I forgot. I did not forget. I am practicing my reverse smile line. Yes, remember I did my nails and I told you guys I was going to practice and practice and practice until I get it right. I did not forget. So here we go. I had to include a reverse smile line. So this pointer finger is just that. I'm using Nude Panther from Not Polished, and I'm just trying to make my reverse smile. I'm just practicing. What can I say? So this is not a tutorial. Don't look to me for guidance at this point because I ain't got it. I ain't got it today. I'm practicing. You are watching me practice. This is not a tutorial, okay? So I apply the acrylic. It looks horrible, but I know that it's going to look good in the end. Bear with me. Bear with me. So I'm going in with a smaller bead. This acrylic, though, this acrylic is really, really good to work with. I'm telling you guys, especially if you compare it to lower brands or lower end acrylic. You just gotta try. If you know, you know. Period. If you know, you know. Not Polished, you guys. Oh my gosh, y'all are just on point. What can I say? All right, so here I go. One more little bead of the nude color, and I'm just trying to clean up the edges, and I'm just praying, like I'm really praying to the nail gods that it looks good. One piece of advice that I can tell you guys when doing the reverse smile line is use small beads. Even if you have to use 20 small beads, it's better that you do that than to go in with a large bead and then it's going to be a disaster, because I've tried that. I was going so well, boop, 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 boopity boop, and then I got a little cocky, I should say, or a little bit overconfident, and I went in with a large bead. It was a horrible mess, and I had to file it off and start over. So trust me, just go in with the small beads. It might take a little bit more time, but in the end, it'll look better. And if you have any mistakes, you can fix it. You can fix it a lot easier. So there I go with my number 30th bead. And you know what? I'm okay with it. No judgment here. I'm okay with it. All right, so I'm pretty much done with my pointer finger. I'm just trying to pat it down and smooth it out as much as I can. And yeah, let's just move on. Off to the thumb we shall go. So I think what I'm gonna do for the thumb is just a plain purple nail. All of the other nails are so fussy. Let's just have a plain nail, and purple is such a beautiful royal color anyway. Let's just apply the purple. Look how nice. Oh my gosh, look how nice this purple goes on. Not polished. You guys, you got it right. You really got it right. It applies so nicely and it's so pigmented. So again, I'm just going in with really small beads and I'm using a little bit at a time because it's highly pigmented. Also, I don't want to waste the acrylic, guys, because remember, I'm taking this set off in a few days. All right. Perhaps even tonight. It's just not my thing, the goth look, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. If I could keep them on for 3 days, then pat on the back for me. So here we go. So far, nice and dark looking, right? I think I'm hitting it. I think I'm right on target. So I'm just filing out my smile line a little bit more, and I'm just using a hand file. You can use an e-file for this, you guys. You can use an e-file. It goes a lot faster with the e-file, but you have to be able to control it well. Otherwise, you can mess the whole thing up or cause an injury. So if you're a beginner, just grab a hand file, and yeah, that would be the safest bet. So here I go again with that purple because it's absolutely gorgeous. I freaking love it. And I'm just packing it around the smile line just to make sure that there are no gaps. So pretty much that's it. That's all I'm doing right here, packing it in. And I think I did really, really good with my smile line. You know, like, it's not perfect. And I don't think it's ever going to be perfect. I really don't. But if I could like it and my customers could like it, then I'm happy. And today, I like it. I like it. I think I did a good job. All right, so patting in that purple again, just to make sure there are no gaps. And then what I want to do, because there's a swirl on the middle finger, I want to do a swirl on my pointer to tie those two in. So I'm just going in with the white. So the white that I'm using, it's a milky white from Not Polished. And I really, really like it for this look, you guys, because it's a soft white. It's very subtle, like the name says. It's milky white. So I felt like if I would have used like a really, really bright white, it would have overpowered the black and the purple. And I didn't want it to do that. So yeah, I think it was a good choice, this light or softer white. So I'm not good at the Gothic look. It's just not my jam, you guys. But if there are any Gothic, is that even the right thing to call the Gothic community? Do you say goth? What do you, let me know. School me. Let me know. What is the whole thing called? Is it goth? What is it? Let me know. Let me know what is the right way to address that community. And what is it really about? Is it just about wearing dark colors and being like in your feels all the time? Or is it more to it? If by chance there are any goths, I hope that I'm saying that right, but if there are any goths that watch this channel, please let me know so I could pin the comment to the top, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's ignorant to that lifestyle. All right, so I've already did most of my nail art, and now I'm encapsulating with the clear acrylic. So I'm speeding this part up because we all know how to encapsulate right now, right? You take a nice big wet juicy bead and you let it flow neatly down the nail. You clean up the cuticle area, and voila, perfection, right? So yeah, if only it would go that smoothly every time. No, that's the goal when we encapsulate. That's the goal, but as we know, it doesn't always go like that, and that's okay. So I encapsulated the nails, I filed and buffed off camera, and now I'm just applying some stickers, you know, not much, just a little something, to say, hey, you know, a little something. So I got trick or treat because I feel like that's not too crazy over the top. It's not like a demon. Because I actually have some stickers like that, you guys. I actually have like some really weird stickers. I might show you guys, if you guys want to see like some of my stickers and stuff, let me know. But yeah, and I'm like, who would put this on their nail? Are you crazy? Yeah, so no, I'm not doing that. Trick or treat, I think that's pretty cute. And then I'm going to put some bats. The bats for me, which is really weird, but I remember when I lived in New York, we used to have bats. I don't know why, like, we just had bats. That's so at nighttime, like if we were walking, like we got off the subway station or whatever, we were walking to the corner store, like you might just see a freaking bat fly by. So when I was putting the bats on the nail, like, I don't know why, but that's the first thing I thought of, being a small little girl in New York, going to the subway station and seeing a bat, you know, it's just like a normal thing. So anyway, I applied the decals, and now I am using the Sparkling Coat base coat, and I'm just using this to seal in the decals so that they do not peel off. So I'm going to pop that in the oven and let her bake. So I popped her in the oven. She cooked for 60 seconds. And now I am applying the Sparkling Coat top coat. I figured I used the base coat. I might as well just go ahead and use the top coat as well. So while I apply the top coat, you guys can get ready for the Nail Crew member spotlight. And today's spotlight goes to Amanda. Thank you so much. So that was embarrassing. Moving on. So these are the nails, you guys. They're a little bit gothic, a little bit Halloween, right? Tell me what you think. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.